In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the entire import process from inside Zoho CRM, step by step, so you can move your contact list over cleanly and with confidence. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to prepare your file, and how to avoid the most common issues people run into. First, open your Zoho CRM account and go to the Contacts tab in the main navigation toolbar. This is where all of your individual people records live. Make sure you're in the right module, because we want to import directly into contacts, not leads or accounts. Once you're on the contacts page, look toward the top right for the import option. Depending on your layout, this might appear as an import button or a small plus icon with an import label. Click that and then choose Import Contacts. This tells Zoho that the file you're about to upload should create or update contact records. Now it's time to upload your file. Zoho CRM supports formats like CSV and XLSX, which you can easily export from tools like spreadsheets or other CRMs. If you're not sure how to structure your file, use the option to download a sample file. This is very helpful because it shows you the kind of column headers Zoho expects, such as first name, last name, email, and so on. Adjust your own spreadsheet so the headers line up clearly with the data you want to bring in. Once your file is ready, either drag and drop it into the upload area or click to browse and select it from your computer. Next, you'll choose your import options. Here you decide how Zoho should handle records that may already exist. You can simply add new contacts, update existing ones, or do both. This is important if you're refreshing data from another system and want to avoid duplicates. After that, you'll move into field mapping. This is where you match each column from your file, like email, company, or phone, to the correct fields inside Zoho CRM. Pay special attention to your company column. In Zoho, the field that links a contact to a company is called account name. Make sure to map your company column to account name so your contacts are properly associated with their companies. If your file contains information that doesn't have a natural place in Zoho, you can create new custom fields and map to those as well. Once your fields are mapped, configure any final options, such as assigning tags or enabling assignment rules if your team uses them. When everything looks good, click Finish. Zoho will run the import in the background. You'll see a notification when the process is complete. Finally, refresh your browser, return to the Contacts tab, and you should see all your newly imported contacts